What if a simple pipe splicing technique could change the way people handle plumbing repairs? Most plumbers replace an entire section when a pipe connection fails. But this plumber revealed a clever splicing method that's surprisingly simple and incredibly effective. With a smart fitting and a well-designed joint, he created a strong, durable, and practical connection. The final result impressed so many people that some believe every plumber should know this trick. After seeing this technique, you'll understand why it has the potential to change the way plumbing repairs are done.